Good morning, and I'm just gonna fix my pants because I bought some pants last time and there's no pocket, so I'm gonna put a pocket. So remember last time I went to Venice and bought the sewing machine for $25. So let's try it on now if it works. So let's begin. So I'm just gonna put some. So this sewing machine I bought for $25 in App Shop. So actually there's actually the tag here. So I'm just gonna put this one on. Don't mind the noise. Selector. Maybe we put it on A1 or A2 or A1. A1, 2. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. Oops. I think it's full. So, take this off. I got a little basket here. And then we'll move this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm putting a pocket in this. So I bought it from Target yesterday and it's only $7 work clothes. So how good is that? So I'm just gonna cut this bit. Actually, I don't need a back. I just need a front pocket. Stitch off. Oh my god, my god. Hallelujah!
Doesn't have it's ruffly for the edge, you fix that later, as long as it's rough in place.
Got a pocket. got a pocket. Can you see it? I think that's too deep. Too deep. Too deep. Too deep. I have to adjust it because it's too deep. So oh dear. That's on the left. Anyway. So guys, we're nearly finished. I got a pocket, but I don't know if it's in the wrong side. Oh no, that's fine. I just need one pocket for my keys and everything. Perfect. Got a pocket. Now I just need to stitch this side here. I will just have to stitch it by hand because it's too much in the corner. All done, guys. So we managed to make a pocket out of scratch. So it's here. So yeah, may pocket na tayo. That's all I need. There. And that's it.